Hello people, so today we'll be solving LeetCode daily question that is 1105 filling bookcase shelves, and in this we'll be given an array of books where books I is equal to thickness I and height I indicates the thickness and the height of the book, and we'll be also given an integer shelf width. Okay, and we want to place these books in order onto book case shelves that have a total width or shelf width. Okay, and we choose some of the books to place on the shelf such that the sum of their thickness is less than or equal to the shelf width. Then build another level of the shelf that bookcase of the bookcase so that the height of the bookcase has increased by the maximum height of the books we just put down, and we repeat this process until there are no more books to place. And we know that at each step of the above process the order of the books we place is the same order as the given sequence of books. And for example, we have an odd list of 5 books. We might place the first and the second book onto the first shelf, the third book on the second shelf, and the fourth and the fifth book on the last shelf. Okay, and we have to return the minimum possible height of the bookshelf can be placed after placing shelves in this manner. Okay, for example, we are having this that the height and the thickness of height and the thickness of first book is 1 and 1. Height of second and third books are same height and thickness, that is 2 3 2 3, and the height and width of this is 1 2 3 4 fifth and sixth book is same, 1 and 1, and the height for seventh book is 1. Yeah, and thickness no sorry thickness is 1 and height is 2. Okay, so how we'll place this books is in the order of yeah, and the shelf width which is given is 4. Okay, so if we'll be going by that method, that we'll be placing 1 and 2 together because their shelf width is less than or equal to 4, so it will be like 1 and 2 will be placed on the first shelf, 1 and then 2, and then we'll place third. Okay, third book will be placed with the shelf. Yeah, it can be placed because the shelf width is 3, and we can place 3 and 4 together because after that we cannot. Then we'll be having 5 6 and 7. Okay, 5 fifth book, sixth book, and the seventh book. Okay, but the sum of the heights of the three shelves now comes out to be 1, which is 2 and 4. I guess we have what, wait a second. Yeah, if we'll go by this way, what we have to do is we'll have to pick up the maximum height of the book, which is in this case it's 2 or okay, I'll just confirm thickness comma yeah, which in the first case it will be 3. In the second case also it will be the maximum of third and fourth book, which is this and this. Again it will be 3, and in this it will be yeah, and it will be the maximum of this 5 6 and 7, that is 2 in this case. So the maximum height, so the height, if we go by this way, we'll be getting is 8. So the sum of the heights in this case will be 8. But instead what we can do is we'll place first book together, then second and third book together, and then we'll be placing fourth, fifth, sixth, and the seventh book together so as to minimize the height. Okay, so if we go by this way, what we'll be having is the maximum height is 1, in this case the maximum height is 3, and in this case the maximum height is 2. So the height now sums up to be 6, and we have to return the minimum height of the bookshelf. Okay, so firstly this is a DP question as we are having choices, so let's initialize a DP array of size new int of size books dot length, and let's fill this DP array with -1 dot fill dp comma -1, and now let's return uh, find min height of the shelf, and in this we'll be passing the books, we'll be passing the shelf width, the starting index, and the DP array. And as we have to maintain the order, so it's not like we can change it, so it's will be private, oh my bad, private int the array, it's int books, no it's a 2D matrix, int shelf width, int index and the dp array. Okay, and here we'll check that if book, oh, okay, sorry, index is greater than, oh, it won't be going greater than ever, is equal to books dot length. In this case we'll return a 0. Next we'll have to check that if dp of index is not equal to -1, we'll be returning the dp of index. Else we'll be starting our initializing our answer variable with the maximum value, max underscore value, and also let's keep the height of track of the height, which is, let's say, 0 currently, and width, which is also 0. Okay, now for int I equal to int I less than books dot length I plus plus. And now what we'll be doing is that firstly we'll be adding our updating our current width plus equal to books of I 0, and in this case we'll be checking that if anytime width is greater than shelf width, means we cannot proceed any further, so we'll have to break. Then we'll be updating our height, will be updated as the maximum of books I1 comma my current height, and also I'll be updating my answer value as the minimum of my current answer comma my current height, which is the maximum height, plus I'll be calling the recursive function again. In this I'll have to pass the books, my shelf width, shelf width, the next index from which we have to start, that's going to be index plus 1, and the dp array, and at the end we'll return dp of index is equal to answer. Okay, now let's give it a run. Oh, okay, it gave me a wrong answer. Did I made some mistake? Oh, okay, so height, yeah, it's fine only as per mine. Oh, sorry, it here it should be I plus 1 and not index plus 1. Now let's give it a run. Yeah, it gets accepted. Now let's submit it, and works probably fine. Okay, and it gets accepted as well. Okay, so that's for it for today. Thank you for watching.